So guys, I have this site today whereby you get, okay, it's called CrowdGen. It's a it's a company for Apple, and then you get, okay, most of their jobs you just train AI. As you can see, they've said get paid to shape the AI, shape the future of AI, and they have multiple types of jobs, all the way from transcription to, let me show you the job. So whenever, okay, for the first thing you need to have a proxy. That's what I'm be telling you guys. Look for a proxy so that you can actually surf these websites. All right, so you can, once you're in this once you are on their website, you can see here they say sign in, and here it says view projects. Let me just click on the view projects, and you can check out the project that they are offering. Okay, so like for this one, you can see it's a remote job, independent contractor, project based, Georgia. Okay, so most of these jobs are from the US. This one are for Turkey, Germany. So let's say I need you to understand one thing. So let's say you want to apply this particular job or this job. What you need is that, you see, this one is for the UAE, United Arab Emirates. Whenever you're going to apply for this job, make sure you have that proxy for that area. All right, or let's say you're targeting a specific location. You just come and click on this part for location, and let's say you're targeting only the US region, because those jobs from those areas, they're paying a lot of money. So you just click on the US, and then each and every job that will pop up is for the US. Okay, so you can see this one is for audio recording project. So like, let's say it's like a, I think so, translation. So you can just click on apply, and then you can see the requirements for the job. So here it is. You can see that it's based in the US. The job is AI trainers, data collection. So you can see there about the job here, and then task overview. Read and record 150 scripted English prompts using the Apple mobile app. So which means you'll be required to use your phone, and remember you're using a proxy. So what you need to do is that make sure you connect your phone with the proxy or the VPN. Make sure your phone is fully connected with the VPN, or let's say your phone is as the location is fully masked. Okay, that's the first thing, because you'll be using their mobile app, so they will track your location and everything. And the next thing is that follow the provided instruction to ensure high quality recording. So you'll be doing a screen recording with your phone, and then this is a one-time task that will only take approximately 2.5 hours to complete. So here it is. Who can apply? Must be a non-native English speaker residing in the US. So you remember I said what? You need to have a proxy. First thing, change your location to the US, and then you can make an application. The next thing is must be able to read English comfortably. That's an obvious thing. And then must be comfortable reading some sentences that contain sensitive topics. Yeah. And then must be 18 years or older, maybe. So for this one, they will ask you for an ID or an DL to upload it. So make sure you have those. You have the DL and the ID, either of them. Okay. And then another thing is that you must have an Android smartphone, and must be able to record in a quiet environment, free from background noises. Okay, so you can see what they require you, or what you need to have. And then the pay rate, you can see they're paying a lot of money for this particular job, they're paying $60. So the pay rate is $60 for fully completed and quality accepted session consisting of 150 recordings. So you can see at least 90% of your session 135 recordings must pass quality check for to be eligible for promotional payment. So that's the work. Is interested? If you meet the qualifications and ready to join this project, apply now. See, this one is okay. This one is a one-time job. They'll pay you $60 one time. Okay, so unless you'll be eligible for another promotion, you'll get another job like that. So that's how you apply for this particular job on this website. The thing I've said is that you need to have at least a proxy. Okay, have a proxy. The proxy is the basic need you need to have first, the proxy, and then the other things can come later. But the proxy, you need to have the proxy. You can reach me out. Number is my link to my WhatsApp is on the description below. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be making more videos about these online jobs so that I can try to help some of you are just starting out. And then if you need our services, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp. The link is on the description below. See you next time.